to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's look, I will be showing you how to apply this beautiful everyday makeup look. So if you're interested, please keep watching. I have already created the look on one eye just to show you all a preview. So I usually never do my brows on camera because it takes tedious concentration, but I wanted to show you guys what I use to fill in my brows. So I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Style Definer in the shade Dark Brunette, and here's what it looks like. On the other side, it is a spoolie and it's very useful. Now I am picking up my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm applying that all over my lid. To start off, I usually like to apply that using a brush, and then I'm going to go and pick up my beauty blender just to blend that out a little more. Into my Carli Bybel palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm picking up the shade Beau, and I'm placing that into my crease as a transition shade. This will help create dimension. So you want to make sure that you are slowly building that color as well as blending it out. You want the end product to seem as though it was airbrushed. I decided that the other eye needed a little bit more pigmentation, so I'm going back in with the same shade Beau and slightly building that in and blending that out. So sorry, my camera ended up dying and I hadn't realized, but I will have the primer, foundation, eyeliner, mascara, and lashes used in the description box below. Now I'm going to be picking up the CoverGirl True Blend Contour Palette, and I'm going to be going in with a mixture of both these two colors right here. I am placing my contour on the highest part of my cheekbone, on my forehead and temple, as well as my jawbone. Then I will simply blend that out. I typically don't contour my nose on my everyday makeup routine, but in this case I just used whatever product was left on the brush to contour my nose. So I know that I am running out of product here on this palette, so I'm going to go and pick up a new one. However, I'm going to be picking up this highlight shade, and I'm going to be placing that on top of my cheekbones, applying that onto my brow bone as well as the bridge of my nose. just going in with the same brush that I used earlier just to touch up my contour. Next, I'm going in with this CIATÉ London blush. I'll be applying that to the apples of my cheeks and lightly dusting this over my nose. Now I'm going to be picking up my Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, and I'm going to be picking up the shade right here, the lightest gold shade in the palette. And I'm just using my finger to pat that onto my cheekbones just to slightly intensify that highlight color. Picking up my Morphe M506 brush. Here's what it looks like. I will be picking up that same highlight shade and placing it into the inner corners of my eyes, and I'll be placing that on my Cupid's bow. I've decided to pick up my beauty blender just to lightly dab at my Cupid's bow. I didn't like how intense that highlight became, so just an idea for you guys if you need to diffuse anything. Please be sure to always hydrate your lips before applying lipstick. In this case, I will be using the Burt's Bees Lip Balm, and since this is an everyday look, I will be using my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. Maybe I'd just create some light waves for this look just to see how it turns out. So this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.